There is an argument that block panchayats, which form the middle tier in the three-tier system of the Panchayati Raj institution in Kerala, has little role in developmental activities, especially in productive sectors. There is an equally strong argument that organic farming is both unviable and impractical. If you believe in any of these arguments, you are welcome to Nedumangad Block Panchayat. You will realize the different areas in which a block panchayat in Kerala can create wonders and how the organic agricultural revolution that was started in 2015 is still going on successfully.
മണ്ണിൻ്റെയും മനുഷ്യൻ്റെയും ആയുസ്സിനായി എന്ന തലവാചകത്തോടെ കഴിഞ്ഞ 55 മാസം വ്യത്യസ്തമായ പദ്ധതികളാണ് ജൈവ കാർഷിക മേഖലയിൽ നെടുമങ്ങാട് ബ്ലോക്ക് പഞ്ചായത്ത് ആവിഷ്കരിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. ആവിഷ്കരിക്കുക മാത്രമല്ല, അത് വിജയകരമായി പരിസമാപ്തിയിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടെത്തിക്കാനും സാമൂഹ്യ അവലോകനത്തിലൂടെ മികവുറ്റ പദ്ധതികളെന്നുള്ള അംഗീകാരം നേടുവാനും കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്.
The organic agricultural revolution in Nedumangad Block Panchayat started in 2015 with a capital of 4.25 lakh rupees collected by and from the officials and elected representatives of the Block Panchayat office. The first step was to prepare 3 acres of land, which was unutilized land filled with overgrown bushes and an open dump yard for waste. In the initial stages, the elected representatives and officials, along with their family members, started vegetable cultivation on a small scale in this land. A group of local public also joined hands with them. When the block panchayat paid back the 4.25 lakh rupees invested initially by the officials and elected members, it was a befitting answer to those who claimed that organic farming could not be profitable. The organic vegetable farming started then has been successfully going on till date. As the next step, the Block Panchayat initiated an organic farming service and training center in 2017. 389 organic groups with 10 members in each group have already completed training from the training center. Along with training, inputs are also being supplied by the center. The success of this people's movement is evident from the fact that these trained groups have been doing vegetable farming in about 100 acres of leased land. Inputs like seedlings and organic pesticides are also being supplied by the training center at a cheaper rate than the state's government suggested rates.
ജൈവഗ്രാമം എന്നുള്ളത് ജനപ്രതികളുടെയും ജീവനക്കാരുടെയും ബ്ലോക്കിലെ കൂട്ടായ പ്രവർത്തനത്തിൻ്റെ ഉൽപ്പന്നമാണ്. തുടർച്ചയായി ലാഭത്തിൽ ജൈവ കൃഷിയെ കൊണ്ടുപോകാമെന്ന് തെളിയിക്കാൻ ഈ തദ്ദേശ സ്വയംഭരണ സ്ഥാപനത്തിന് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. സംയോജിത ജൈവ കൃഷിയിലൂടെ ജൈവ കൃഷി ലാഭമാക്കാം എന്ന സന്ദേശം നാട് മുഴുവൻ എത്തിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള ജൈവ കൃഷി പരിശീലന സേവന കേന്ദ്രം ചാരിറ്റബിൾ സൊസൈറ്റീസ് ആക്ട് അനുസരിച്ച് ബ്ലോക്ക് പഞ്ചായത്തിൻ്റെ ജൈവഗ്രാമത്തിൽ രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്ത് ഇന്ന് പ്രവർത്തിച്ചു വരികയാണ്. അങ്കണവാടി കുട്ടികൾ മുതൽ മുതിർന്നവരിലേക്ക് ഇതിൻ്റെ ജൈവ കൃഷിയുടെ അവബോധം സൃഷ്ടിക്കാൻ ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Nedumangad Jaiva Gramam, the Nedumangad Organic Village, is the first and only one of its kind in the state promoted by a local self-government institution. The centre itself provides jobs for 17 labourers directly and for more than 70 people indirectly. The fact that this initiative of Nedumangad Block Panchayat was chiefly instrumental in creating a new culture of agriculture is worth mentioning. The venture got a profit of more than 15 lakh rupees in the year 2018-19. When half of Kerala lay submerged during the floods of 2018, Nedumangad Block Panchayat extended its helping hand with free supply of 3,000 kilograms of organic vegetables to the relief camps in Chenganur and 2,000 kilograms of organic vegetables to the relief camps in Nilambur. In addition to this, an amount of rupees 1 lakh was donated to the CMDRF from the profit gained. As part of integrated farming, about 1,000 hens and goats are also being reared in the Jaiva Gramam. people can get eggs at a reasonable rate from this center. During the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown period, 2,000 eggs were supplied free of cost to community kitchens. Accepting the agricultural challenge of the Chief Minister of Kerala for the post-COVID period, Nedumangad Block Panchayat has started agricultural activities in all the 5 Gram Panchayat areas under the Block Panchayat. 20,000 vegetable saplings have been distributed as part of this, and activities are in progress to extend the organic farming to an additional 12 acres of land. Nearly 4 lakhs of vegetable saplings have been distributed as part of this, and 10 lakh more would be distributed in the coming days. Nedumangad Block Panchayat is moving forward with flying colours as a fitting reply to those who write off organic farming as a crazy thought.